Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and some gentleman sent me this logo. It already had the text of path in it, but he's having trouble with the bottom, and he didn't ask me to critique the whole logo, but I've redone the whole logo and made the text of path perfect and made the circle. The circles aren't circles. I can't imagine a logo. This is 7.3 by 6.9. I can't imagine. And if that's supposed to be the shape, that's fine. But I'm going to critique that. Also, if you look, this is a PNG logo. It's got a bounding box around it. It doesn't have any white background. It should not cause a problem. But you never know. So what I'm going to do is take this same logo, and I'm not going to even make it even smaller. I'm just going to go to Trace Bitmap Outline Trace Clip Art. In just a few seconds, it's going to trace it, and you'll see the difference. It's taken away the background. Now there is no bounding box that you can see. It's probably a sharper logo. So we're going to take mine out of the way. And I'm just going to take this ellipse and hit P, and I'm going to make it with my ratio. I'm just going to use round number 7.5 by some 7.5. Now I got a round logo. I'm going to put that one in the middle, and I'm going to make it 6. Now I'm having to type it in twice because the numbers are different. Now what I want to do is Control D and make a duplicate and make this next one half that distance, which is 6.875. Now, okay, I just had my ratio unlocked. So I'm going to make it 6.875. Now I got a line. That doesn't look right. I'm supposed to be 7.75. Okay, now that line is right in the middle. And what that's going to do, I'm going to get rid of that one. What that's going to do, that's going to allow us to not worry about these other lines when we text a path, because they're going to get in the way. So this way we have something to go to. So this is on top. This is going to be on bottom. This particular font is probably the best font I've ever seen for this, putting a text on the bottom. So I'm going to take this text and go to text, fit text to path, and put it, and when you see that red line, that means it's in the middle. Do not worry about that it's not in the middle of their deal, because now we can take it and we can lower this number and get it right in the middle. Now, before you put the bottom on, I need to select it all, go up to Object and break the text apart. And because I nudged, I can nudge it right back. That text should be exactly in the center. Take this one, go to text. I think this is what he's having trouble with and really needing help. It's upside down, but if you mirror it one way and then the other way, it'll put it back up top. We're going to zoom in a little bit. I'm actually going to bring down some indexing lines just to kind of see the middle, and because I'm going to have to move this around a little bit to get it in the center. And sometimes this works, completely, it's moving it one direction. So now I can move it back, just minutely move it back and kind of get it in the middle. Now select it all, go up to Object, break text apart, nudge that over, take our new logo, we're working in the center of the page, and hit P, and now you have a logo. Now, if I made it too big, just select the whole thing, group it together, Control G, and if you wanted to make it 7 inches, now the whole thing's 7 inches. If you want to make it 6, everything will remain the same. Pretty cool logo. I don't know if he's engraving or printing. If he's engraving this, he's going to have to take the colors out and make blacks and different shades of grays. And if you are, let me know, and I help you with that. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.